Hey guys, welcome back, and this is what can we do with Microsoft Whiteboard. So first thing is just simply go to app.whiteboard.microsoft.com and just simply select a new whiteboard, and you will have an empty whiteboard over here. But actually you can start with a template, so pretty much this will be depending on you. But in order for you to learn the basic, you can just simply close this one. So guys, from here you will have the mouse, which you can select any object and you can delete it and duplicate it. You could convert to shape and edit alt text, and when you click on this you should have multiple options as well. And after that you will have the pan icon over here, which you can drag the whiteboard and add another text or writing. And from here, when you go for the pencil, you will have black, red, galaxy, and the others as well. And after that you should be able to see here an eraser to erase any object you provided. And you will have the ruler as well, so this will be for your creativity. And you will have the lasso select, and you can add a note as well. As you can see, we will have a note over here, and we could write out anything that we prefer. And now you will have the emoticons as well, which you can add as many emoticons as you prefer based on your ideas. And you will have the text as well, so from here you will have a text object, and you could just simply provide things to do over here. And you will have the shapes as well, and you could add a template based on your preferences. And that's simply about it. Thanks for watching.